Hi, I'm Matt, and thank you very much for buying one of our wonderful 1-800 vending machines. I'm going to show you how to put this together. It's so easy you won't even believe it. First we're going to put this the turnstile mechanism together. It's going to ship to you just like this, and all you're going to have to do is put these in. It's so easy. The handle goes at the top, and they just slide down like so, just like that. Okay, now in your package you have a plastic bag like this. It has lots of different screws in it. There's a big screw, a medium-sized screw, and a small screw. We're going to use the big screw first. There's 4 of them. Okay, and we're going to put this together here. So, get your trusty, and if you'll come over here. I'm just going to put these down like so. Okay. I'm going to take this piece right here, and it goes on like just come over, see how you line these holes up, see how that fits just like that. You're going to take the medium-sized screw, kind of has a flat head, and you're gonna screw that in just like that. Whoop. Okay, then where's that long piece?
I still been fine.
Do what? Is it in there? I'm going to take this piece here, and it's going to go to the front like that, and it just fits over those 4 holes that are right there in the middle. You're going to take your last 4 screws, and screw that on. Just like that. This thing is really sturdy once it all comes together. Whoop. It's a weird angle. There you go. That's all very sturdy. All right. Actually, no, this is right. Now, the important part on this is you want, on the back of it, there's a section cut out, and on this side, it's solid. And if you try to put that there, the tray won't fit. So it has to go in just like that, so that later on, when you put your tray in, it fits just like that. Okay, so you got to make sure you have this cutout area at the back. Okay, turn this back around for you. Says right here, top, front, and guess what? That's the top and that's the front. And you take your, doesn't matter, you're gonna get two that dispense the bulk candy and one that dispenses the gumball. Get one in the middle. They all fit anywhere you go. The one in the middle just slides right down. Take your sun shield. It goes on the back. Just slides in. There's a little place for it, and the top goes on like that. Your tray goes in like before. Your back, well, we'll do the top first. You got two locks, they're interchangeable. And your top, you'll get a key just like this. It fits in just like that. And then the back, take your other lock. It slides up in just like that, and your second lock goes right there. And there you go. Machine fully built, I mean sturdy. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, you can contact us at texastradewinds@gmail.com. Thanks.